In this video, I gonna show you how to write this partial symbol in Microsoft Excel. So to write this symbol, there are some method you can use in this equation method. So insert an equation, and in the second line, guys, you will see this symbol partial. Also, you can write partial using slash and write partial. Press spacebar one time. So this is the way, guys, you can write this symbol. Slash and partial and press space one time. Insert equation and select partial or slash and write partial and space. So thanks for watching.